I'm going to show some more examples of Switchboard in action. So we're going to click on the plus. So this person has a business number, a sales number, and a VIP number. I'll just take the business call, maybe make a sales call. And what I want to show you here is I'm going to click on Max Yentl call session. So I'm going to click on it. If you look at the functions, these are kind of custom functions, and they also have text integration. So the second one is add to prospects list, add to VIP list. So what it does is, if you click on it while Max is on the phone there, Switchboard will automatically take that 613 number and add it to a list for this user called prospects. And so this person, probably a salesperson, keeps adding to this list and has a database of phone numbers or mobile numbers. And then if you look at the other functions at the bottom, text to prospects, if you click on that, it will text all the mobile numbers on that list. In fact, you could go as far as the next function, which is call/conference, VIP. So the VIP lists that have been built over time with people on the phone and just clicking and adding their number, this will actually make a call to all the VIPs in your all the numbers in your VIP list, get them all on the line, and then conference them, automatically do two functions in one and conference. So this is really useful for salespeople to text, notify their clients all in one shot. And it gives the convenience of, while you're speaking to someone on the phone, instead of taking a pencil or whatever, jotting down their number, you just click, bang, just add to prospects list or add to VIP list, and bingo. Yeah, Switchboard will do that for you. I'm just going to show something here. I'm just going to put these two people in a conference. And I just wanted to show the last two functions on this list, functions list, is record and stop record. And so what that means is you can actually record and stop the recording at any time in a conference. In fact, on any call. There's no default start record and then it ends the recording at the end of the call. So you can actually pick and choose what you record, and even record multiple sections of different either calls or conferences. Okay, so that was it. Now what I want to show you is something called dynamic menus. So if you saw the previous demo, you know that there's a public category where all Switchboard users can monitor and see if other Switchboard users have elected to start a conference that's public. And in this case, there's someone that started Marketing Basics. I guess they're trying to promote their business. And if we click on it, so we can enter conference, ask question. That last function there, survey, that actually is, it's the owner of the conference that started this that clicked on Start Survey. And when they click on Start Survey, we, the users listening to this conference, get an extra function called Survey. And so they start the survey, they ask a question in the conference, and then we click on Survey, and we reply or actually select our answer for whatever question that was in the conference. Yes, no, maybe. It doesn't necessarily need to be yes, no, or maybe it can be values here, numbers, multiple choice. You can do whatever you'd like. But so there's two things here. There's one where the list of functions got changed because someone on the other side did something. And then there's this cool feature of answering a survey of this conference, and the owner of the conference will then get a summary of the results. And now I'd like to show a manager of maybe a small business, and this manager will be monitoring kind of a mini call center. And I want to show it for two reasons. One, to show the capabilities of a mini call center, as well as show dynamic menus in action. So this is their network. It says my network, and yellow means obviously a call session is not theirs. And this person, Karin Grolier, is on hold. And again, this would be, some mini call center. And then, that person is now speaking with the sales department. Now, this person called into the switchboard, a switchboard number, which belongs to this user, and that user set it up where there's an IVR, interactive voice response, where, press 1 for sales or press 2 for tech support or something like that. And the moment they press 1 for sales, the manager of this mini call center actually gets to monitor that this person is now going through that tree hierarchy of an IVR and clicked on sales. And now this call center got a second call, again on hold, and a third call. And now the second call, this Chloe person clicked on support. And so this manager can actually click on these sessions and have obviously some functions, one of which is at the top called Whisper, which is you connect to the agent taking care of this call, but this caller, Chloe, will not hear what the manager is saying. This is a way to kind of like drop into a call or something. Now, there's a reason I show this, because now you see Sarah Scotty clicked on billing through the IVR system, so we get notified. And then there's another call on hold. So this is a little bit of a busy mini call center. And now there's Chloe Smothers. That flashing help is in fact the agent, a switchboard user, that clicked on the call session and clicked for help in terms of help me with this call. And so this company decided to, label that as help and a flashing. Now, here's the interesting part. We clicked on this Chloe Smothers for actions just a few seconds ago. But if we click on it now, very different menu. And this was set up, it's a dynamic menu, meaning that if there's, in the call center, if an agent is asking for help on a call, the menu will change. And the menu is obviously related to this help. So the manager can connect, can take the call directly, or can conference in and see what the problem is. And so that was a few examples of, again, Switchboard in action.